Hi, I'm Landon Fahlman with Fuel Lock at Intragain Technologies. It kind of started all last summer on our family farm. We were having some issues with theft. I kind of tried a few different things and decided that using a keypad entry system would kind of work. So I kind of started making them for more people, and then it got to the point where I kind of wanted to do it full time and grow it and keep expanding it. So here I am today. So this is Fuel Lock for Business. So basically it's a device with a keypad entry system that unlocks power and locks power automatically to your fuel tanks. It's got an automatic locking timer in it that you can set anywhere from 5 to 60 minutes. So basically it's good for new tanks or retrofit applications. You can wire it in, power into it, and power out to the pump. So you simply can walk up, enter in your 4-digit PIN that your boss assigns you, hit enter. Now you can select between the 2 different power supplies that it will send out. So now the power has been unlocked and the timer has started counting down. Now it unlocks power out to your pump so you can fill. And so now it'll count down and lock itself after whatever time you want to set between 5 and 60 minutes. If you're not comfortable with that and you want to manually lock it yourself for peace of mind, you can hit these 2 buttons here and then it automatically locks. So this is our Fuel Lock app, and basically it allows you as an owner of a business to manage and track all of your employees and their fills and what's happening in real time. So here's your main dashboard where you can see a quick view comparison of all your different employees and who's filled the most. Here it gives you a little more detail as to per site so that you can have more than one device on your account. So you can see here I filled at 9:35 and I filled with regular gas. You can kind of, for a more in-depth view, you can go through and compare all of your employees, so you can see that this employee has filled more than that one as a quick view. So here you can go into the actual site where the device is, and it'll show you a quick comparison of all your employees. So you can see that June 20th, a large number of fills were had across the board. The other thing that will happen is you can get text message and push alerts for each transaction that's had on the device, so that you can manage it from your field or wherever you are. So, okay. Here on our website we have a cost calculator for customers that want to go on and find out exactly what the cost is to run their operation off of Fuel Lock. So here you can select Fuel Lock for personal or Fuel Lock for business. So Fuel Lock for personal is a non-communicating single PIN entry with no app, and Fuel Lock for business is where you can have multiple users and full app control. Here you can go through and get all the customer information in terms of their bulk fuel pricing, the volume of bulk fuel on their farm, and then you can go through and it'll calculate out exactly what their one-time cost would be and their cost in the first year and the second year per liter. So if people want more information about Fuel Lock, they can go to our website, www.fuellock.ca, and information will be updated there almost daily.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com.